Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be trying to find birds by placing birdseed and filming it. See if I can catch any on camera. So far I've had no success, but there's been a little robin that's been following me round. I placed the birdseed here and I had one little bird come over and then the robin come and had a look. But where I'm sitting, away from the feed, the robin keeps flying around me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get the video of the robin without the food. Seems to like me more than the food for some strange reason. The robin hasn't seemed to come back, but I can still see the bird seed, and there's two small birds in the trees flying around it. Maybe the tripod scaring them. I think I'm going to try and put the GoPro there on its own without the tripod, because it's quite big. See if these little birds will come and have a little feed on camera. The battery's on 10% now, so see if I can get something the last couple of minutes before moving to somewhere else. So my first battery's on 1%, so I think I'll be best to move around and find a couple more locations, put some seed down, and if I don't get any birds, then at least I've got spots that the birds can get used to feeding on, and then maybe I can get some bird footage next time. I think what I'm going to do is come back every day and put a bit of bird feed on, and then hopefully maybe in a week or a few days I'll start getting some birds on camera. So I've moved location just a few metres down, and there's a little blue tit in a tree. Not sure whether you can see it. It's a bit far away, so you probably can't see it. And there's another one there, I think, that I can see. I think they might be great. I'll try and find a spot to put some seed down and maybe get them on video a bit closer up feeding. So there's nowhere on the floor I can see would make a good picture, so what I'm thinking is putting some on this branch up just here. Saying that a bit high. Don't fancy climbing up, I'll be 4 feet of tree. I'm the lightest person in the world. But let's try it anyway. So I think bumming around trying to get the camera into the tree. I've scared them off, so maybe look for somewhere else. I've also put my tripod down somewhere and can't find it. I'm not the cleverest person in the world. So I'm looking around here for about 5 minutes now. And it's over here. Another wasted time, but We learn, don't we? Let's hopefully get some birds, eh? So we're walking to find another good location, and I found it today, and it's got 3 blue tits or grey tits, I can't tell from here. 4. So maybe I should find a spot near this tree to place the feed. Hopefully I won't scare them off this time. So they are still in the tree up here. You probably can't see it, but they're up there. So I found this little log that I can put some feed on. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully when I set it up, they won't be. They'll take the food and we'll get them on camera. The only other worry is it's on a trail, so hopefully no one will walk past and scare them off when I do get the shot. Another point is the battery's only on 56% now. This is the second battery. Oh, look at that. Can't really see it, can you? A bit far away. But I've learned a few things either way. I think I need to install the software on the GoPro for motion detection, which will give me more time on each spot. Because now I'm worried about the battery dying before I even get a bird. Hopefully I'll get 1 or 2, but if not, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll check the places I put the seed, see if they're being eaten. Then we'll know for next time. We can hopefully get some videos. They are wild birds as well, so there's probably a lot of natural food in the area. I've enjoyed it either way. Just gonna have to keep trying to get them on camera. It's nice being outdoors. This is why I started doing this. Hopefully I'll keep it up and get some good bird footage. So I'm walking down the path and there's some birds. I don't think I'm gonna get close enough, but I'll try. See this little robin here, who seems to be following me around. It might be a different one, but like so, it likes me. I'll try and get a shot of it. I need a better camera, better zoom really, but I kicked something and scared off. Not having much joy here, but I have to keep trying, won't I? Walking along and came across a squirrel. Probably gonna scare that off as well, but come on, we'll try anyway. gone right up in the tree and away from the camera. Typical. So the battery's on 40%. And I'll have one last try with the seed. See if I can get any on this branch here. There was a bird sitting on it before I walked over, but we'll try. So the battery's almost dead now. So I'm gonna get back to the car. Didn't get no birds as far as I could see, but I'll check the footage over later. If you want to see more videos, then like and subscribe this one. And hopefully I will get some birds. I have seen a lot of birds myself, just waiting for them to come and get the seed, but they just haven't took the offer up. So I'm just going to keep trying. Hopefully get some good videos. I've learnt a few things anyway. I'm a bit clumsy, just scared them off quite a bit. But look at all this mud here. I might try and get some little scenic shots before I go, but we'll see. If not, I'll see you next time. So the woods I'm in is right next to like a big farmer's field, and there's a lot of birds on the field, so I'm guessing whatever the farm is growing, or the insects around them, is feeding the birds. So I'm going to put the camera in the middle of the field where there's a lot of birds and see if I can get some birds on camera. Once again, as I got closer, they all flew away. Let's just put the camera down and see if we can get any. Is where this dog knocks my camera into the lake. I have to get dirty to get it. So I'm walking back to the car and I found this tree stump. It looks like someone already feeds the birds there, so maybe I'll try that next time. The only problem is it's on like a main path, so it'll probably be people walking through with dogs and stuff like that. Hopefully not, I'll come early enough. So I'm back in the car. I didn't get what I wanted to get on camera, but I still enjoyed it anyway, and the main point of this channel for me is to be outdoors more. I just feel better being outside and being in nature. if you like these type of videos. Obviously I'm going to improve over time, but yeah, if you like these videos then subscribe and I'll keep putting them up. Alright, thanks for watching, bye.